Hi guys, today I will show you how to easily prepare a nutritionally balanced diet that meets the AAFCO allowances in a rice cooker for your adult dog. This is a generic recipe and the ingredients can be altered. I am cooking for an 18 kg doggy. These are the ingredients you will need. First, wash the rice a couple of times. The trick to cooking fluffy white rice is to use enough water to cover the rice up to your tip of your pinky finger. You can just add the minced beef into the rice cooker, but I prefer to roll them into shapes. Set it aside to cook. Now prepare your greens. Pureeing the celery will help your push to digest them. Once your rice and meat mixture is cooked, set them aside to cool. Mix in potassium chloride, multivitamin and calcium carbonate powder together with the pureed celery. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and mix well. If you like, you can decorate the food to make it look prettier. Thank you for watching Nick Foundland, and if you like more recipes, don't forget to subscribe.